Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable S Pen media control on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Next we go down and tap on S Pen. In here, tap on Air Actions, and then we go down to the bottom and tap on the media toggle button to switch it on or off. Once it is turned on, you can use the S Pen right here. If you press on it once, single press, it can play or pause the music. You can double press to play the next track. You can also use gestures to move to increase or decrease the volume, or you can play the previous track or play the next track. So let's try it out. Let's open up a YouTube app, YouTube Music app, and in here I'm going to play a song from my library. And now the song is playing, and I can press on this button to pause the music, or I can press on it to resume the music again. I can double press on it to perform next track. Now, because I do not have the next track, so I will not double press, but you can also use gestures to increase or decrease the volume. So here we can increase the volume. You can see the volume bar now increase, or I can decrease the volume. And you just need to press and hold on the button and move your pen upwards, and this will allow you to increase or decrease the volume. You may need to practice with the gestures to get it working correctly. So your pen needs to be held in certain angle, and you need to move it in certain directions to get it working correctly. Now you can see I don't have a lot of success with this gesture navigations. So instead I will use the buttons only to be able to play or resume the button or move to the previous or the next track. Oh, that's it. And that is how you can turn on or turn off the media control with an S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Actually, it's only available with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S Pen is not available with other series. Thank you for watching this video.